Because remember, we can do that in Ladybug quite easily, right? So one thing to proceed with that is, or let me show you this way. So what, like if you want to do that, we need to extract hourly CS data with time step, right? So when we have the hour, we can put the grid, but cannot find hourly data file, right? Because the reason for this is, maybe I can group this for a second, is because we said no to this. So if we rerun this by saying true to this one, it's going to rerun the analysis, but this time it's going to run the analysis for 8,760 hours of the year. So if I do the same thing now by coming over here, hourly data, and now you see it's grabbing the hour and the data as well. So how we can proceed with this is, if I can go to my climate data, hour of the year, or the other way around. So this is the month, day, hour, which is OI, if you remember. And we have month and day, day of the year, and then it will give you the month and the day of that day of year index. So it's basically, if you put, I don't know, like 30, it will give you first month, 30, first day, kind of a thing. Okay. And like, let's say if we want to grab the information from our sun path, okay, it will show you the sun path, or it will show you the exact energy situation on the sun path, okay. And if you zoom in, you can put the points as well. So what we do with this data, so this data is actually the same data that we are going to use to visualize, and that data is going to be feeding our preview CS sensor. So if I come over here, we can put new values to our sensor, right? So if I come over here and then say values, you see on that particular day between 0 and 1500, we get this bluish color. So if we convert this into 1000 now and turn this on and off, okay, we see a bit better results. However, you see, by the way, this is important because now the way that we visualize things is quite contemplating one another, right? So when we see shades or shadow, it's blue. When we don't see anything, it's red. Right? So we change this, like let's say sixth month, and then we turn this on and off. We are starting to having different results. And if we do the same thing for the sun path, you see we do the same thing, or we are getting these results which are quite coherent with what we are having in the sun path. So that's pretty much it for this short video, and I'll see you in the next one where we are going to see multiple results in this analysis. I made this with a mistake. Sorry, I'll see you in the next one.